Hello, good evening, Professor. And this is my database test showcasing that my test DB file is working properly. This is currently after my own test trial it working, but I could show you now in real time. Going back to just the folder that we were given. This arrives and pops up when I drop the folder within the local, I believe it's the local folder, or that may not be it. Give me 1 second. I put it in my htdocs folder that was given to us in our XAMPP creation. And from here, I show that my first folder works. And since this is already up, I could try it directly from my history. I get connected successfully, showcasing that my server connection is complete. And that'll be all, sir. Have a great evening.